Helicopters are the most versatile and flexible means of transportation. Helicopters provide unparalleled versatility with vertical takeoff and landing capabilities. It has the ability to hover and fly in different directions thanks to its rotors. Helicopters have been used as a means of transportation in various fields, including the military. However, there are various types of military helicopters that are differentiated based on their respective functions. Well, what are the types? We're now presenting to you guys the 7 types of military helicopters and their functions. So let's get started. Number 1. Transport helicopter. As the name implies, this type of helicopter is designed to carry heavy loads, such as a group of troops, light vehicles, and logistics, to the battlefield. Transport helicopters are superior to cargo planes in that they have the ability to land and take off vertically without a runway. In addition, transport helicopters are sometimes equipped with special equipment, such as ropes for lowering and picking up troops in difficult terrain. According to Aero Corner, the transport helicopter that is widely used by the military is the Boeing CH-47 Chinook, which has a twin engine. Another famous transport helicopter is the Super Stallion, manufactured by Sikorsky Aircraft. Used by the U.S. military, this helicopter with a 7-blade main rotor can carry cargo weighing 73,500 pounds or 33,339 kilograms. The maximum speed is about 280 kilometers per hour. Number 2. Attack helicopter. Targeting and eliminating the opposition is the attack helicopter's primary goal. Because of this, these helicopters can travel at great speeds and are equipped with automatic machine guns, missiles, or cannons. It is becoming more advanced since a radar is included for locating enemy targets and directing bullets precisely and accurately. Actually, there are combat helicopters that can efficiently obliterate opposing tanks and armored vehicles. The Bell helicopter H-1W Super Cobra is considered to be one of the best. According to Aero Corner, the Super Cobra has been utilized and flown by the U.S. Marine Corps since 1986. Number 3. Observation helicopter. Next up is an observation helicopter to support intelligence and reconnaissance missions. To observe and identify targets, it is assisted by infrared cameras, laser systems, communications equipment, sensor suites, and low-light television. Observations by observation helicopters will later be used to direct airstrikes or guide anti-tank missiles. One of the mainstay helicopters for reconnaissance missions is the MH-6 Little Bird or Killer Egg. In particular, the main fuel tank is resistant to small arms fire, and the external fuel tank can be installed for long-range missions. In addition, the MH-6 Little Bird can be quickly disassembled and then transported by cargo plane to its destination. Another reconnaissance helicopter that is often used by military forces from various countries is the Bell OH-58 Kiowa, which has a single engine. With integrated cockpit systems, navigation, communication equipment, and advanced weapons, this helicopter can be used day and night, even in bad weather. Number 4. Utility helicopter. In a way, utility helicopters are very useful and excel in all fields, from reconnaissance, attack, transportation, and evacuation. The most famous is the UH-60 Black Hawk produced by Sikorsky. With a twin engine and 4 blades, this helicopter can operate in all weather conditions. Bell Helicopter did not want to be outdone and produced the UH-1Y Venom. Venom, also known as the Super Huey, began fielding in 2008 to replace the Marine Corps fleet of UH-1N twin Huey helicopters. The Super Huey is used for command, control, and attack support during the day and night and in adverse weather conditions. Number 5. Search and Rescue Helicopter. As you might guess, search and rescue helicopters are used for search and rescue missions. The advantage is being agile and able to survive in all terrain and weather conditions. The SAR helicopter is equipped with an advanced radar and avionics system to reach its destination. One of the superior SAR helicopters is the MH-65 Dolphin produced by Eurocopter. This striking orange helicopter has two engines that allow it to fly at a maximum speed of 330 km per hour. Number 6. Maritime Helicopter. For marine patrols as well as surveillance, search, and rescue, leave it to maritime helicopters. One of the best is the MH-60R Seahawk, or Romeo, whose main role is anti-submarine warfare. ASW itself is capable of finding, tracking, blocking, damaging, and destroying enemy submarines. With twin turboshaft engines, the MH-60R Seahawk can fly at a maximum speed of 270 km per hour and be airborne at an altitude of 3,700 meters. Number 7. Training Helicopter. Training helicopters are used to train pilots in the military. These helicopters are typically smaller and less powerful than other types of military helicopters, but they provide pilots with many opportunities to practice their flying skills. Additionally, training helicopters tend to be less expensive to manufacture and operate than other types of helicopters, which makes them ideal for learning operations. One example of a training helicopter is the TH-73A Thrasher. The TH-73A is the aircraft portion of the Advanced Helicopter Training System, using a skills-based approach to training with just-in-time methodology and incorporating modern technology. AHTS will ensure rotary wing aviators are produced at a higher quality and more efficiently, ready to meet the challenges faced in the fleet. So, those are some types of military helicopters and their functions. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please share it and do hit the notification button for more updates.